today we have with us a very towering personality in Punjab politics, somebody who's is considered a brave politician. He speaks out his mind. He has his own Dabang style. Today we're going to spend a day with him.
ये 5 साल ਵਿੱਚ जिनकी गिरावट साढ़े सूबे ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਹੈ ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਦੀ ਅੱਜ बेरोजगारी हद तो बाहर 2 करोड़ 74 लाख की आबादी और 47 लाख साढ़े बेरोजगार ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ
सच का बेटा
चंगी तरह मांझा फेर दियो जी हुण
हां बस मांझा ही फेरांगे आप
हां जी
So far, it's been a very eventful day for Captain Amrinder Singh. He started his day early. There was a rally at Kharad, and now he was joined by Senior Union Minister Mrs. Ambika Soni as well.
There's a time when you see people are making the eye contact.
You like his style?
Yeah, because it's very natural. It comes very naturally to people.
Color is missing. Is it because of the restrictions?
I am afraid it's restrictions. You know what they are charging? Every time they see these observers see a flag up, it's 5 rupees for the flag and 1 rupee for the danda. You know, so nobody wants to put it up.
You hit very hard. Obviously, the target is Badals. Is that what you really mean?
No, I absolutely mean it. Now you tell me, Badal has been Chief Minister 4 times. I've only heard him give one type of speech. कि focal points बनाने हैं, other school बनाने हैं. कुछ और, the world has progressed in 40 years. Think of something new, think of some innovative ideas to get the state moving forward.
If you're back in power, we can see reopening of cases.
Well, no, cases is not, we don't have time for doing these things. We have to, our time now is to get on with governance and to get on with solving the main target which I today see is this unemployment. So therefore it is our interest to see that all our youth are employed and they don't remain in that frustrated way. 68% of youth, according to UN, has tasted drugs. I mean, that means frustration. And that's a ridiculous sort of a figure.
So, lunch on the move, sir?
Lunch on the move. You know, I got diabetes. So, I have to eat something.
Now, if Akali Dal goes to lose the elections, what will be the future of Sukhbir Badal?
Sukhbir Badal is not liked by the rank and file of the party. He's abrasive, he's rude, crude.
Though you never wanted Raninder to fight the elections, but still you've been blamed for dynastic politics.
See, I don't know, what do you say, dynastic? We went for 100% winnability. And we felt that, everyone felt that seat was a slipping seat, Samana. And therefore the MLA from there, Brahmendra, was shifted to Patiala Rural. And he was left in to handle that seat. So he's actually taken over a seat that we were not counting on. And I think we're going to win that seat.
Some say there's been a pact between you and Akali Dal that no more vendetta. If we come back to power, we won't investigate your cases.
Well,
and
if I have a pact with the Akali Dal, I don't think you'll have anybody who's there to oppose the Akali Dal. I mean, I can go to my grave, but I won't have any pact with these jokers. I am taking them on. We're taking them head on. We will fight them tooth and nail till we pull them off out of the secretariat here.
I was reading that you like cooking. What do you cook the best?
No, I cook. I like Desi Khana. Actually, our Patiala style is a combination of 3 gharanas. Actually, when we are all together as a family in the evening, we all cook.
After a hectic day, it's a tea break for Captain Amrinder Singh. Sir, how are you ending your day now?
Well, now I'm going to the Doordarshan wants to record my statement. I mean, we have to make a statement as president for the TV.
Mr. Prakash Singh Badal, he's still not retiring from politics. Have you said anything for yourself that this is it?
No, this is my last stint. I've done enough now. I mean, I'm working for my state. What I can do in these next 5 years, I will do. After that, I'm going to hang up my boots.
What else you want to enjoy in life after you hang up your boots?
Oh, my hobbies are gardening, writing, these sort of things, and I enjoy that. And I think as long as one has left, I will concentrate. And my subject is military history, and I'm going to put in my effort to do some more work on that.
This is the motorcade of Captain Amrinder Singh. He's ended his campaigning today. The day has ended, but still, it's a long, long way for him.
बुनियादी ढांचा आज सानू पंजाब विच एक नंबर दा है ते कांग्रेस दी साजिश भी बिल्कुल लोकां दे सामने आ गई किन्नी चतुर उन्हां ने चाल चली.
She represents the Bhatinda constituency as Member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha. In her maiden election in 2009, she defeated her nearest rival, son of former Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, by a record margin of over 1.2 lakh votes. This election, her father-in-law is seeking a reterm as Chief Minister of Punjab. Her husband is also in the fray, trying to consolidate his base as leader. And also her brother will be fighting the elections. We're on the campaign trail with the Bahu of the Badal family, Harsimrat Kaur Badal. But before we join her on the SUV trail through the dusty roads, the day begins at home in Badal village. It's a busy morning in the Badal household as Chief Minister Parkash Singh Badal, his son and Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir and daughter-in-law Harsimrat are all ready to hit the road. We managed to steal a few moments with Sukhbir Singh Badal just before he leaves, almost missing out on his wife's convoy. What's your day looking like today?
Day is good, ready to fight.
Right.
And the mood is good among the people. Right. They want continuity because they prefer development over promises only.
All right, your wife is also getting ready to leave and so are you. In a family where there are so many politicians.
All going in different directions.
And Punjab traditionally has had the anti-incumbency factor. Do you think that will play the part this time?
No, not at all. The word anti-incumbency will be removed from the dictionary of Punjab.
We catch up with Harsimrat at the next railway crossing. Interestingly, you're wearing so many different hats all at the same time, and you seem to be comfortable in all of those.
It's a tough job. It's taken its toll on me. I've greyed in my hair, which I never had a single grey hair. When I fought elections, I've become pretty grey. I see a whole lot of wrinkles. I see a lot of neglected kids. I look at the state of my house. It all looks tacky. So it's be it my health, be it my family, it's all taken its toll. But my kids are going to be with me. My body, my health is going to be with me. So you cannot take those for granted.
There's suddenly a parent-teacher meeting that's come up in your children's school. How are you going to handle that in the middle of this election campaign?
I'm going to get it from my kids all over again.
सरदार प्रकाश सिंह बादल तेरे पुत्रा दे सिर लगे खातिर दुखिया दी मैं सदके भारत भूमि दे गए सारे कष्ट निवारे.
Within moments, she switched from the role of a mother to a leader. The campaign begins with a small village in the Malwa region, and on the target is not just the Congress party but also Manpreet Singh Badal. Manpreet Badal, Sukhbir's cousin, was finance minister in the state government for 4 years before he fell out with his uncle and cousin and started Punjab People's Party. All the stops on today's trail fall under the constituency Manpreet is contesting from.
To see if he could not do it when he had a party's backing, when he had the portfolio of a finance minister, what is he going to change?
But when it comes to Punjab, change is exactly what voters have often opted for. In an assembly of 117 seats, the magical halfway mark is at 59. Traditionally, the Punjab voter has been anti-incumbent, which means that's an added challenge for the BJP and the Shiromani Akali Dal combination.
Punjab is going to create history this time by repeating the government just on the basis of the work that's been done.
And the Badals are counting on that goodwill to see them through this election. We're a little behind schedule, but this tea stop can't be missed. It's the home of a Congress worker who's recently switched to the Akali Dal. What's a normal day like in the house?
Well, you'll be surprised. It's usually many weeks before we even get to see each other. This is just one of the few days where you saw all three of us leave the house together. But usually we've got to call up in the evening to find out where the other person is.
Which is the most difficult role for you to play? A mother, a wife?
A mother. There's always a flip side to everything. So yes, I've had to put the family at a back foot to serve this huge family that I have.
But with a huge family come even bigger demands. This is the 8th village and the last stop on today's campaign trail that's covered over 150 kilometers. And even with all the detailed planning, there can be last-minute surprises.
This is another constituency which was not in the plan for today. This is one of the rebels who's willing to withdraw if I come and ask him to withdraw.
Where are you drawing your energy from?
I don't know. That's a good question. One gets back home dog tired with a splitting headache every day. Everything freezes in the winter, so it all tastes bad. So even if you're really hungry, you don't feel like having half the things. But I've got my packet of goodies in my bag with all my namkeens and my chidwas, which I tuck into, and my kaju badams, which when I get really famished.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and I hope you come back to Punjab and spend a longer time with me rather than one day, and allow me to show you the real Punjab and show you how hard we politicians work.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.